So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you know that I always show all that I got from Clovia, and I have a partner code with Clovia, so you also get an additional discount. I'm gonna mention it right here so that you can use. And I think I have associated with Clovia, I think from 2019, so that is kind of, it's been some time, like it's good, what do you say, like 6 years. So yeah, so I have this package here with me. I'm gonna show you guys, from Clovia. So this is the one, yeah. So we're gonna unbox this, and I'm going to show you guys one by one what I have from this. Okay. So I'm giving the first card. I love to shoot these unbox with me videos because I can live share with you guys what all I got in, how I style up in my trips and all of that. So yeah, let's get started. So my Clovia videos and my Mintra haul videos are loved a lot. Like, also my, what all I share from, other websites as well. Many people love my birthday outfits that I showed from Dem by Love. Also my Urbanic and Savannah, haul. And I'm going to shoot another video, from Ala Mode. It's now Miss Mosa. Miss Mosa, yes, I think so, yes. So that as well. So all these videos are loved a lot. Yeah. I love your guys' comments as well that you give it below. Yeah, so let's check what all I have in this. So I can see two boxes. So we're gonna open one by one and see what is in these boxes. Yes. So yeah, we're gonna open the first box and see what I'll have in this. Okay. So the first one which I see is something khaki green. Okay. So opening the seal. I can see this one. Oh my god, it's a back charm. Of lately, I am so much into back charm. I got one Barbie. So this is hell yes. So I can use in my cabin bag when I travel. So I got this back charm. Oh my god, so pretty. I didn't buy this, but I think, it was given to me as a gift. Okay, so let's see what we have. So the first one that I have is this khaki green one. So when I saw this, I felt like it is very nice. So you can get your hands on this, and I like the detailing and I like the satin finish that it has. It's very comfortable, and I'm a fan of Clovia lingerie. They're very nice. That is why I partnered with them. I agreed to partner with them. Yeah, so this is the one. Yeah, I love the fabric detailing. So you also have this net type, like it's transparent here and gives a good lift. So the only problem with this is how you keep it in your, when you're traveling. And also I would keep it like this. This is how I would fold, and I do machine wash. So yeah, you can also machine wash, and I haven't seen that there is a lot of shape shift, but I would love to hand wash them because they stay better with hand wash. And you have the 3 hook mechanism. It's similar to the one that I showed in my previous haul, which is like a dark blue. And I am a little bit on the heavy chest side, like I am a 38. So yeah, so this comes in handy. Yeah, you get the good sizes here in Clovia. So a little bit it's tough compared to other sizes, but it really helps. Yeah, so you can check it out. Yes, next one. So little bit it's tougher to get the size. You can see the size right here, which is a 38C. So little bit on this, in this size you get a little bit less options, but in Clovia, let me tell you, compared to other lingerie websites, you get very good. And I keep shopping, and I always said that I love Clovia satin nightwear, and I'm a fan of their gym wear as well, and I love their lingerie as well. Yeah. So in similar to this, like how it is this dark green color, how can I miss my pink? And this is that warm tone, like a mauve pink. Yeah, and you have the transparent lacing as well, and it comes in 3 hooks. For this one, this one I like that it is 3 hooks. So when you wear like a t-shirt and all of that, it gives good lift and coverage. And just look at how pretty is that color. Yeah. And here as well you have the transparent net detailing. And let me tell you, I'm a huge fan of these this fabric. It's very soft on your skin and very comfortable as well. And for heavy chest like me, it's always good to wear push-up bras because they keep your your chest lifted. Yeah. So that time it's very nice to wear such lifted bras. So that's it in this first box. I'm telling you, this is a very short sweet video, so you can check out these as well. So in your in your size you can also see different colors. So these two, I like this satin, it's very soft on your skin. So yeah, so if you are also heavy chested like me, check out, like, I think you have till 40 size. Yeah, so check out these satin 90s. Yeah, sorry, satin lingerie. Yeah, bras, you will get very good ones. So moving on, I'm going to open the second box. I'm going to show you guys what I have in this. Okay, so the first one, obviously you have these coupon codes. So the first one I have is, it is Zoc and Clovia. Yeah, and you also have from Hot Sauce. Yeah, you have a 400 off, and you also have a code. Very nice. And I also have like 155 off from Clovia, so I'm going to use that in my next order. So we're going to open this and see what else we have. So yeah, let's see what else we have. Okay, so you get very good, this time I needed less of bras because I have so many from Clovia itself. This time I needed good panties. Yeah, so I like from Zivame. Yeah, so if you're a girl as well, I would suggest you to check out Zivame. You'll get very good in Zivame. And I also like from Clovia. Yeah, so these ones are so nice, like they're so comfortable. Like, I like the lacing and all. I'm not gonna too much show, but you get the gist of it. So you have the lacing and it's red and all of that. I'm gonna put links to this in the description. You can have a look. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you from the cover itself. And also, you know that there is skincare as well in Clovia, which you can check out. So I got these as well. So it is this one. It is the Clovia. It's the, the skincare brand is Clovia of Clovia. Yeah, this is, let me see, chocolate 2-in-1 face wash and scrub. So I wanted some good face wash and scrub, because I'm traveling, out of India. So that time such travel sizes come in, handy. So we're gonna open this. I'm gonna show you how is the texture and all of that. Yeah, so you can also check out the skincare range. Oh my god, this is so like travel size, but it's a little bit on the heavy side. So whenever I apply makeup and all, I give good scrub so that I exfoliate nicely. So whenever I find good face scrub, especially I like the one from McAfee. I really like that. And let's see how is the texture. Okay, so it's granularly and it has a very good chocolate fragrance, so I'm willing to eat it. So I'm gonna put links to these in the description and check it out. And like I say, you need these simple hipster panties because they complete your lingerie. So you need the simple ones which you can use for your periods and all of that. So let's see, what is this? I can see something satin nightwear. Oh my god, I'm a huge fan of satin nightwear because I love, satin is one such fabric that when you sleep you feel so relaxed. Like, there is some magic about that fabric. And I'm gonna show you guys. You also have good baby doll ones, like this pink one that I have, this navy blue one which I have here, which I'm showing you. Oh my god, those are loved a lot, and I think many people bought after I showed that. So you also have these beautiful baby doll satin nighties which will hardly take any space in your your suitcase or travel wherever you're traveling. And it is this transparent one, so it's a very good honeymoon number. So like I told you, satin nightwear, I'm a huge fan of them, and they're very comfortable, so you can sleep so relaxed. And they help, as a tarot card reader, they help in your manifestation as well when you're so relaxed. And I love how you have this bow detailing, and you can never go wrong with red and pink. These two colors, like always, they look very good on girls. So I would highly suggest you to check it out. And yeah, it's very nice. You also have the elastic here as well, which is super comfortable, and it's above your knee length, which is very nice. I also have a similar one from orange one which I wore when I was in Azerbaijan recently, and oh my god, everybody loved it. And the view, yeah, so from the view it did justice. So you can check out this one as well. Yeah, so moving on, let's see what else we have. So there are various prints and all of that. You can check out the different prints which are on Clovia. Yeah. So yeah, oh my god, this print, can you see how pretty is this print? And you, even as a night suit, I think there is a print of this night suit as well. You can check it out. Very nice, they're very comfortable. I'm gonna put links to these in the description. There is nothing much to flash about these. Yeah, so yeah, very nice and comfortable. So let's see. Oh my god, I need to be careful with my nails so that I don't break them. This is not coming. Okay, it's a dark pink. It looks red in the camera, but it's a dark pink. Again, a very good one. And you have a different lace. So that was too much lace, but this is like little lace and very nice. It's a simple dark pink. It looks red in the camera, but it's a dark pink. Yeah, very nice. And I like the lace detailing as well. There's a simple, vibrant colors. Yeah. Let's see what else we have. I can see 3 more. I'm going to show you this chocolate one. It's this plum color. Yeah, it is this one. Oh my god, so pretty. So this is another one. I like the lace detailing. Yeah, very nice. Check it out. Yeah, very nice. There's nothing much to show about these. You can check out the links and, you know, get a better clarity. So there was this one as well. Like, you know, sometimes I like to wear thongs as well. They're very good. You get very good in, you know, Clovia. So you can check it out. And this one is also very nice. It has this transparent, you know, detailing, which is very nice. You can check these out as well. They are different colors, so you can choose the colors that which you like. And I personally feel that in lingerie, darker colors are best. So you would always see me go for darker colors. And this looks pink in the camera. Yeah, it's a red actually, but it looks. So yeah, very nice. I like this print as well. This print is also very nice. It has that whitish, pinkish, you know, print. You see, I ordered so many different varieties. So let me tell you, when you travel somewhere, you need good like 15 pairs, like 15 pairs, 15, you know, lingerie set. Bra, you can repeat for 2 days. But let me tell you, you need good, you know, panty. This is another style which I already own a dark blue in this. So when I found it, I, you know, got another size. This is a little bit like high waisted. Yeah, I feel like little bit this is too loose for me, but yeah. So that is why they gave that back charm, which represents that hell yes, you know, kind of thing. So that is it. It is empty. Yeah, we are done. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'm gonna mention my code here. You can check out all of these. I'm gonna put links. So check out different prints, colors and sizes and everything. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna be back with another video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.